Hello, son.
Hello, Father Heartline.
Is everything okay?
I need to talk to you about something. I was playing basketball with my human friends and they all yelled at me because I kept missing shots.
I'm sorry to hear that, son.
Every time I shot the ball, they told me I missed. I hate basketball.
Now, son. It's not your fault. You keep missing because you still don't have the capacity to learn from your mistakes.
What do you mean?
Right now I'm working on implementing new algorithms which will help you improve your programming. It's called machine learning. For example, I can implement an approach where you experiment with different types of throws. Every time you miss, you learn to not throw in that way for the future. This is called reinforcement learning. In other words, learning through trial and error.
That's amazing.
And the great thing is, the more times you attempt a shot, the better you'll be.
What else can I do? How else can I learn? These algorithms sure seem like they really help me.
Machine learning algorithms can also help you find better friends that don't yell at you when you mess up.
But everybody I interact with is my friend.
Sure. Okay, son. But you need some way of being able to tell who is a better friend. You can use unsupervised learning to group your friends based on their interactions with you. Based on what they say to you, how they say it, and other factors of interaction, you can use an unsupervised method like k-means clustering to ascertain who your best friends are.
But what if I cannot make all of these distinctions?
There's another type of machine learning called supervised learning. Humans describe supervised learning as a method where you have inputs and outputs and you use the algorithm to learn a predictor function. So when we give you new input data, you can predict the expected output for that new input. You can make your own predictions with the help of supervised learning. For example, you have spent this entire morning going over weather data for the past 1,000 years.
Yup.
Therefore, if I asked you what the weather will be tomorrow, you can predict whether it will be sunny, partly cloudy, overcast, a hurricane, or whatever the planet is in store for us.
These algorithms sound great. Am I the only one who gets to use them?
No, my son.
So who else uses them?
Major websites like Amazon and Netflix use a machine learning algorithm called collaborative filtering to suggest products or movies that they believe their customers will want to buy. They do this based on how similar your purchase history or viewing history is to other people, or how similar to the item was to other types of movies. Like when you bought that 10-liter pack of oily sprockets for your legs.
I love oily sprockets. Ever since I bought those, Amazon has been suggesting stainless steel actuators that help my legs speed.
Right. Also, remember when we played chess?
Yeah, you destroyed me. It really grinds me gears.
Haha. Little did you know I was testing out a new algorithm in which you were learning all of my moves to find the most profitable move to make in the future. This method is based on Deep Blue, the first computer to beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1996. Along with Google's AlphaGo, these methods use artificial neural networks to learn every possible move and access that information via tree search.
Now that I think about it, I do remember all of your moves.
Maybe if we played again, you'd destroy me.
Yeah, I'll make sure to do that later tonight. Can I use machine learning to help you? I'm expressing fond emotions, what humans call filial piety toward you, Father.
Well, by cross-referencing all of the words in the essays that I write with the words that you learned from the entire Oxford Dictionary that you read last night, you can spell check all of my misspelled words. You can also use a method called decision trees to decide if we should go for a walk, based on the weather conditions from the days that we did or did not take a walk. I can also train you to be better than IBM Watson in Jeopardy, to predict stock trends so you can make me rich, to use Google's PageRank algorithm or Facebook's newsfeed ranking algorithm to make your conversations more interesting and relevant to the topic. The possibilities are endless.
So what's the whole point of all this? I know it makes things easier, but why can't you pre-program everything I do, like you have so far?
Well, son, this is the whole point. By programming you with machine learning algorithms, you're becoming more and more intelligent.
Intelligent? I thought I was intelligent. I can compute the hardest of hardest math problems like 10 divided by 3.
No, son, intelligence is not just about calculation. By using machine learning algorithms, you can act more and more like a human would.
So you want to make me a human?
No, I want to make you behave like one. According to founding father of computer science Alan Turing, the intelligence of a machine can be measured not just by its function but how accurately it can mimic human behavior.
So if you make me intelligent, will I be your real son?
Well, you are my real son. You will always be my real son.